Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can upload a video on YouTube from your mobile. See here, this is my YouTube app and I have YT Studio, but there is no upload option on YT Studio. But I searched everywhere, but I couldn't find. But if there is any option, please do comment. If there is an option in YT Studio, I searched on the YT Studio, but I didn't find. But I'll show you how you can upload the video just like the desktop right from your mobile using Google Chrome. I'll show you. Yeah, see here I have opened YT Studio and there is no upload option here. When this is the problem, you need to open Chrome and just browse through youtube.com. So right here you can search as youtube.com and you need to click on these three dots and click on this option desktop site. Once you click on desktop site, everything will be appearing as the desktop, same like desktop this YouTube. All that you need to do is log in with your Gmail on this Chrome. At left top corner, see at top, you'll find, yeah, see, once you click on desktop side, everything will be appearing as the desktop. See here at this one I can maximize, let me check. You need to click on this video symbol and click on upload option, upload video option. At right top you will see, as I click down desktop version, it is showing very small in size. So yeah, I think it will be okay. Yes, see here, upload a video. But for your mobile, if you click on this option, this will redirect to YT Studio if YT Studio is installed on your mobile. So that will redirect directly to the this app. So in order to override that, you need to press and hold here, and you need to click on app info, and you need to make this option disable, open file default. For your mobile this option will be turned on, you need to turn off, then only you will be able to see this like this option. Then you can select uh, your preferred video from your phone SD card, means or internal memory. So what I'll do is, I'll click on the phone and I'll go to the video where I want to upload a video, and see here I'll just choose one of the video to upload anything. And just like the laptop version, you can give your description, thumbnail, and the options to check here, everything as similar as the desktop version. So I'll fill it all and I'll come back to you. Yeah, see here I have kept tags, description, and I have uploaded thumbnail, everything. And just like the desktop, you need to click on next. For the monetization, if you want, you can turn on and you can click on next. And all the procedure what you follow exactly, for a long video on YouTube on the desktop version, the same thing you can do on the mobile. I received a comment asking me someone like how we can upload a video on YouTube right on our mobile. So this video may be helpful, and everything is similar to the desktop. So if you like this video, please do hit a like for this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, final, I clicking on publish and this video got uploaded.